Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to play Steam games on Android without PC. So first things first, let's head over to the Play Store and I want you to go ahead and look for Steam. Afterwards, you're just going to download this one. Once you have downloaded, go ahead and open this one, and then from here, go ahead and enter your credentials. So it's gonna be the same credential as the one that you are using for your PC. And then from here, just go ahead and verify this one. So in my case, I have it here. There you go. So I'm just gonna try copy this one over here and then head over there once again. Oops. And then go ahead and paste it here. Now click the sign in button, and as you can see, it's loading my Steam. So yeah, there you go. So let's go ahead and just try to finish the setup process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close this for now because we don't need it. And yeah, from this point forward, really all you have to do is find a game that you want to download. We have different games here that you can use. Make sure that they are compatible, by the way, into the mobile version. Otherwise, you won't be able to play it here. And again, everybody, that is how we are going to get this done.